How to add YouTube gallery or YouTube videos in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add your YouTube gallery or videos to your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here on your left side of your screen. You can click on it, and then in the online store page you can go to edit theme here, click on it, and you will be in the website editor. So this is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the YouTube gallery or YouTube videos in this area, or maybe in this area. So I'm gonna just click add section here in the template tab. You can click on it, and then you can search custom liquid. This one, you can click on it, and now you have to put the liquid code or the HTML code. Now you can go to elfsite.com. So in the elfsite.com you can click explore widgets here, and then you can scroll and you will find your gallery here. You can click on it, and then as you can see, showcase your YouTube guides and product videos to increase visibility, keep viewers engaged, and turn your content into a stronger driver of leads and sales. So you can just click create widget for free, and then you can choose the template. There are some templates or styles. So this one and this one, it's up to you, or this one or this one. So it depends on your needs. So maybe I want to add the whole video. So maybe I will try this one. I think this is cool. I can get the banner, the titles and the videos. And then you can just click continue, and then you can put your YouTube channel, and then you can just click. And this is the preview. So you can just click publish, and then you can choose the plan, can select up to you, and then you can copy the code and back again to the website editor, press it and wait a few seconds, and it will be like this. It's perfect. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.